What's up, everybody? We back with another video, and we back on Blood Mountain again. I'm up here with my homie Will. He up with his Elantra N. This shit's so clean. The RPF ones, black chrome. Yeah, that thing look good. So of course, you know, I'm in the BRZ. He's in that. So we went ahead and got set up and everything. So we're about to go ahead, get the camera set up, and we're gonna go ahead and ride out and have some fun. Alright, so we just made a little quick stop at the Bridge Moto Cafe. I was gonna record in there, but then it's like I'm still getting comfortable with like recording in front of people and like recording people randomly, so I didn't record anything. But now we're about to hit Wolfpen Gap Road, and now the real fun starts. Thank you. Jesus Christ. Absence of evidence is not the evidence of absence.
The absence of evidence is not the evidence of absence.
What?
All right, so we've made it home safe and sound, no problems. Love that. Car did amazing per usual. I love this thing so much, but I will be honest, in the next couple months I am going to start modifying it. Like I said in the last video, if you've seen it, I do have a set of wheels. I'm going to go ahead and get the coilovers because I don't want to put the wheels on stock ride height, so I want to get the coilovers first. Get the coilovers, put the wheels on, make sure I have some good tires on there. I'd like to do an HKS exhaust also. Like to get HKS coilovers. Yeah, full exhaust, everything. Long term, I'd like to get a hair up supercharger, but no time soon to do that. But yeah, so you know, if you tuned in to this video, I really appreciate it. This video was a lot more driving than anything. Didn't really do a lot of talking. Was really just a lot of POV driving, and hopefully I got some good chase cam. I'm gonna check that when I go inside. Pull the footage off of that GoPro and see how that chase footage looked. Hopefully it turns out good. It's been a while since he's been up there, so like he said, he was like, I just want to chase you today. I was like, all right, that's cool. You know, I was hoping to be able to chase him so that I could actually, you know, get a little more action on the POV, but you know, it's cool. So hopefully me throwing in some of that chase content, you know, y'all enjoyed that, seeing that Elantra hunt me down, because at least in my mirrors, that thing looks wicked from behind, like, you know, coming up from behind, you know, it looks wicked. So the car looks real aggressive and it looks real mean, especially with the RPF ones and the fitment that he put on it. It looks like a little bulldog coming down the road. So yeah, so like I said, you know, if you tuned in, I appreciate you watching, I appreciate you subscribing, and I hope to see y'all next time. Later.